In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog with Notion in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to dive into blogging without complicating your process with too many steps or tools, you've come to the right place. Notion offers a simple, elegant way to turn your ideas into a blog quickly and without any fuss. So, let's jump right in and get you started on your blogging journey with Notion. First things first, you'll need to create a Notion account if you haven't already done so. Head over to Notion's website and sign up for a free personal account. This is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're all set up and logged into your account, we can move on to creating your blog. Don't forget that with a Notion account, you can also explore other productivity tools and templates they offer, which can be useful as your blog expands. Next, within Notion, you'll want to start a new blank page. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. Everything is intuitive. You'll find the option to create a new page on your left sidebar, and here you can start from scratch, or, if you prefer, you can make use of a pre-made blog template. This can save you some time, and often comes with a structure that is ready to be customized to your liking. Now, it's time to add content to your page. Notion is quite versatile in this regard, allowing you to seamlessly integrate text, images, tables, and much more. Just click anywhere on the page to start typing or to insert other elements. Take your time at this stage and play around with the options to get a feel for how you want your blog to appear. The more engaging your content, the more likely your audience will be to appreciate it. Once you've added your content, it's important to organize your page for both aesthetics and clarity. Notion makes this incredibly easy with its drag-and-drop functionality. You can rearrange elements simply by clicking on them and dragging them around the page. This feature ensures your page's layout meets your preferences and is visually pleasing to your readers. After organizing, head over to the top right corner of your page and click the Share button. From here, you'll navigate to the Publish tab. Here you'll find an option to Publish to Web. By selecting this, your Notion page is transformed into a publicly accessible blog with a unique URL. Finally, you'll want to share your hard work with others. After publishing, copy the provided web link and share it with your audience across platforms such as social media or your email list. With this link, anyone can view your newly created Notion blog. And there you have it, the steps to starting your blog using Notion. It's quick, easy, and opens up a world of possibilities for sharing your ideas with the world. Happy blogging!